Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to auto-colorize any black and white photo with just one click in any Android smartphone. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Colorize Image. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you download and install it, as it is totally free of cost. So you install it. So once installation is done, click open. On opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So here it's showing choose image from gallery. So just click on it. So I will choose one picture. Say I'll choose this human photo. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. As you can see, it's still processing. So you can see in this way the black and white photos completely turn into a coloring photo. So once done, you can save it in your phone itself by going, you can see here there is an option of share. You can share this image too. You can go to this above and you can see here, you can just click on save and it will be saved in your phone gallery. Again, if you want to colorize more pictures, just tap on this above button again. So this time we'll try a flower, whether it works in case of flower or not. Wait for a few seconds. Again, it's processing. So you can see in this way you can get a colorful pictures from the black and white pictures. So using this cool applications, you can convert any black and white pictures into a colorful pictures automatically with just clicking one time. So you don't need to do anything. I don't need to edit anything. So it will automatically detect your black and white photo and it will provide you the best coloring options for your respective pictures. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.